Okay, looks good. Right, nice and solid, no soft spots. Okay. No sign of softness. So I come in here, I pulled the skylight out just to show you that surface inspections do not find damage. Clear as day, mold, bold, oh yeah, water damage, yep. So, people that say they do a surface thorough inspection without removing the membrane cannot actually do a good inspection to find mold, because from up top you cannot tell that there's mold at all. So keep that in mind. Okay, so my previous video with the skylight, this is the same roof. Good thing we've taken it all apart, because look at this. That's all mold and water damage. It is so bad. You would have never knew that unless we took apart this roof. The messed up part is this thing didn't even come in for a roof. You had no idea. It's crazy. Okay, so what could have been avoided with maintenance, now we got to do, well, let's see, about 5 ceiling panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trusses. This whole top of the wall is all rotted out. We don't know the extent of that yet. And all the insulation. That's just this area. Then we got back here. It's all rotted out. It's all because of seal voids. Make sure that you are doing seal maintenance at least 3 times a year. It will save you thousands of dollars. Alright, we got all of our trusses and our panels changed. Wherever we have damage and water intrusion with mold, we usually just kills the whole area that we replace just to be safe. We get rid of all the mold. But yeah, now we're gonna hook back up our heating and cooling ducts and do insulation, and then put a new roof on it. Alright, got all my deck boards on and sanded all of the seams. Just make sure if you're doing this at home, like a DIY, don't over sand it. I don't know why, but for some reason, if you over sand it, this OSB tends to delaminate, and then you'll see it through your rubber. So only sand where you need to sand. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, got it all sanded down. Now we'll tape our seams and our edges cut out our holes, keep on rolling. Alright, we got our rubber glued down and squeegeed out. We're going to let it set up for about an hour. And then we'll go back through and put our gutter rails on to hold it down on the sides, and then add all of our penetrations on. And not a bubble in sight. Alright, got our stuff on. I'm going to start self-leveling it. They had to change to air conditioned gaskets. Make sure you order those when you do a roof, because those are very important, and if you got any sort of defects in the seal, change it. But yeah, we're gonna put this on. Broke this customer's little clip here, so instead of rigging up a new thing, I'm just gonna give them a new solar panel. And everything on the roof is brand new except for the AC units. No sense in putting old stuff on a brand new OEM roof. Heck yeah, self-leveler time. And that is how you do a complete OEM roof replacement in 24 hours or less.